Hi, welcome to another featured house tour. My name is Patrick and I will be your property mate today. Today, I will be showing you around a 3-story townhouse project in a gated community in Project 8 near Congressional Avenue, Quezon City. But before anything else, make sure you click like, subscribe, and follow us on social media so that you don't miss any updates. All of the links will be in the description box below. Okay, before we proceed with the house tour, let me tell you something about the very strategic location of this property. This clean, quiet, and serene community is located in a friendly neighborhood where everything you need is within reach, such as SM Cherry Foodarama, Trinoma, UP Diliman, and the QC Memorial Circle. Here, you will also find easy access to Mindanao Avenue, Congressional Avenue, Tandang Sora, and NLEX. Okay, before we head inside, the first thing you will notice outside is this very modern looking yet helpful contraption right beside me. This is a car lift. This will enable you to park up to 3 vehicles in your garage, 1 on each level of the car lift and 1 right here. Oh, by the way, take note that you can only use the car lift to park sedan type vehicles, as you can see in these photos. Okay? Oh, right over there is a provision for a garden. That space leads to the maid's quarters and the back door. Right now, I can't show it to you because it is still under construction. Now, I think we are ready to head inside. Right as you enter the house, you will be greeted by this very quaint and minimalist foyer, which leads into a toilet and bath right over there. Now, this is a full toilet and bath that comes with its own shower, toilet, and sink, which you and your guests could use because adjacent to it, right over here, is bedroom number 1. Here, you can fit a nice single bed. And what I love about this room is that it comes with this beautiful closet that has a bedside table attached to it so that you don't have to buy a separate nightstand to keep all of your personal belongings. Oh, and right over here is a very interesting piece of furniture. Of course, this doesn't come with the house when you buy it, but this gives you an idea of the kind of interior design direction you would like to go with once you purchase the house. Okay, I think we are ready to head upstairs. Come. By the way, before we go up, let me tell you something about this staircase. The first step, as you can see right here, is made of... Oh, sorry. The first step, as you can see right here, is made of granite. And the rest of the stairs, it's made of hardwood. And as you are walking up the stairs, you are greeted with this very beautiful blank white wall where you can hang your portraits, or if you're an artist, you can hang some of your artworks. Okay, let's go upstairs. Now we're here on the 2nd floor, and the first thing you will see is the powder room. This powder room features a huge mirror that covers most of the wall. It also comes with its own toilet and sink. And right here in the 2nd floor landing, we have more storage spaces. By the way, these storage spaces are all soft close cabinets, so they don't make a sound when you close them. See? Not a sound. Nice, right? And right over here, we have a beautiful credenza where you can feature your favorite artwork or a favorite portrait of yours. And as we walk through this area, you will be greeted by a very beautiful dining area. Now, this specific dining table sits 6 people. And as you walk through here, you will enter a very spacious living room. Now, since the living room is just next to the dining area, you can host parties, dinners with your family and friends. You can also host a movie night because right over here, you have a space where you can mount your huge television. Okay, let's head to the kitchen. Now this is an L-shaped kitchen with granite countertop. Now, I love cooking myself, and for people who loves cooking, it's very important to have lots of spaces to accommodate all of your cooking equipment. And this L-shaped countertop gives you just that. Not to mention all of these storage cabinets right here. These are also soft close cabinets. And right over here, we have a dual sink. Now, this dual sink features a 180-degree faucet. What I love about this faucet is that it rotates from the neck, not from the base, so it's very durable. And right over here, we have a provision for a 2-door refrigerator and more storage spaces. Okay, now that we have explored what's on the second level of this beautiful home, I think we are ready to head upstairs. Come. Now, as you are walking up the staircase, you will be welcomed by this high ceiling with this beautiful chandelier. Nothing speaks elegance more than a very beautiful piece of lighting, right? And right over here, you can set up a cozy nook where you can enjoy your morning coffee or read a book. And right here is the master's bedroom, but we're gonna go in here later because right now, we have to go in the junior master's bedroom. The junior master's bedroom can fit a queen-size bed. It has lots of windows for that natural lighting. And over here, we have a study and lots of storage spaces, cabinets for all of your clothes and your personal belongings. Now, this bedroom is called a junior master's bedroom for the very reason that it comes with its own toilet and bath. Now, last and definitely not the least is the master's bedroom. Now, this is a bedroom. It has everything you need. Right here, you can fit a king-size bed, a footbench, some storage spaces. Right here, we have a drawer. It also features lots of huge windows for that natural lighting. Imagine waking up in the morning to the warmth of the sun. It immediately puts you in a good mood. Oh, and by the way, right here is a study. You can also set up an office right next to the window for when you want to work in the mornings with natural lighting. Alright, by the way, I forgot to mention that this house is equipped with a centralized speaker system for when you want to play your favorite tunes and you want it to be heard all throughout the house. Right here is the master's bathroom. The master's bathroom features a granite top sink, huge mirror, and a very modern looking exposed concrete wall and floor tiles. And right here, you have your walk-in closet. Lots of huge cabinets to store your personal belongings and your clothes. Now that we have explored the house, it's time for a quick recap. This contemporary 3-story townhouse project is situated within a warm community in Project 8 Quezon City near Congressional Avenue, with total lot areas ranging from 81 square meters to 146 square meters, while total floor areas range from 216 square meters to 253 square meters. Each unit will have 3 floors, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a smart parking garage compatible with a car lift. The ground floor consists of a 2 to 4 car garage, porch, foyer, guest room, common toilet and bath, maid's room with toilet and bath, laundry area, pump room, and garden. The second floor consists of the powder room, dining area, living room, and kitchen. The third and final floor consists of the hallway leading to bedroom 2 with bathroom, and finally, the master's bedroom with walk-in closet and master's bathroom. This has been a featured house tour brought to you by PropertyM8, your trusted partner in real estate. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you are interested in this house or if you are looking for a property, send us a message and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for joining us in this house tour. See you in the next one.